So now come to question number 18, exercise 1, page 1, straight lines. Find the angle between the lines represented y. So first line is y is equal to under root 3x plus 5. Second line is under root 3y is equal to x minus 6. So slope of this line, you know, this is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. So m, coefficient of x, when coefficient of y is 1, under root 3, and m2 is equal to divide by this 1 upon under root 3, this is under root 3. So now use the formula, angle between two lines is given by m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1, m2. Any one of them you can take m1, other becomes m2. So this will be m1 is under root 3 minus 1 upon under root 3 upon 1 plus m1, m2 under root 3 into 1 upon under root 3. So this will be under root 3 into under root 3 minus 1 upon under root 3 into 1 plus 1. So this will be 2 will cancel 1 upon under root 3. So tan theta is equal to mod of 1 upon under root 3. So theta will be, see the two possible values are there. Tan theta can be plus minus. So one is a pi by 6 and another will be pi minus pi by 6. So this is a 30 degree and 180 minus 30 is 150 degree. So theta, this can be two inclinations, two angles. So this is the answer of this. Thank you.